I'm just gonna come right out and say it. Eating healthy is hard. P.S. We're filming outside today because we haven't had a nice day like this in forever. We probably won't get one again. And I mean, just look at the background right now. Just look at it. If any of you guys have been following like my workout videos, I think I've posted like maybe 4, maybe even 5. I don't know. I can't remember how many workout videos that I've been doing lately, but I've been posting a bunch of Chloe Ting challenges. And in almost every single one, I mentioned that the reason I'm not getting the results that I wish I was getting is because my diet probably wasn't the best. Eating was pretty much just like a free-for-all. I just have such a hard time not eating sweets. I'm not seeing as much results as I could be because of the way that I eat my diet. So I decided it was time to make a what I eat in a day video, maybe to try and hold myself accountable for what I'm eating. Probably not going to work because I'm the worst at eating healthy. So here we go. I'm just kind of gonna like do like a talk through and then kind of show you what I've been eating lately, if that makes sense. Am I being lazy about this? I don't know. I just don't like to vlog in the mornings when I'm eating breakfast because it's like 8:30 and I look like trash. So like I said, eating healthy is hard, especially when your idea, like your basic knowledge of healthy eating is junk food bad, vegetables good. So I kind of like foods that keep it super simple, keep it super easy, and something that can be really repetitive without me getting tired of it quick. So that kind of brings me to what I've been eating for breakfast lately. It's called Aviv. If you follow me on Instagram or follow my vlog channel, you've probably heard me talk about them before, but I'm honestly obsessed. And when I started getting them, I was kind of just like, where have these been my whole entire life? Basically, they are pre-blended, healthy smoothies. They have so much protein in them. There is 0 added sugar. There's so many different flavors, and they come in these little cube wheels. You store them in your freezer, and then when you want to use one, you take it out of the freezer. You can run it under a little bit of hot water just to help the cubes pop out a little easier. You just pop your cubes in a cup. Now you can use half the wheel or you can use the whole wheel. I always use the whole wheel because the half wheel is more of like a snack type of thing, and the whole wheel is made to be used as a full breakfast. So you just pop that in your cup. I like to use like a mason jar cup because you can put the lid on it. You want to put your liquid in it. You can use any liquid you want. I like to use almond milk because I don't like dairy. Dairy does awful things to me. So you can use any liquid that you want though. I personally prefer almond milk, so that's what I've been using. But basically you pop your cubes in your cup, you pour in your liquid, you let it sit for about 15 minutes, let it melt a little bit, then you just pop your lid on your jar and shake it up, and you've got yourself a freaking smoothie. They literally take all of the guesswork out of eating healthy for breakfast because they've got like, I was gonna say they've got plants in it. They've got stuff like fruits and vegetables incorporated into these smoothies, so they're they're good for you, and there's no added sugar or anything like that, which is awesome. There's a lot of protein, like I said, for like, especially for someone that does workouts and stuff and they need protein to help build muscle. It's really, really great, and I am kind of obsessed with them. And if you want to get $10 off your first order with them, you can use the code LifeofFallon10, and you can check them out with the link in the description box below. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't check them out. Like, I'm so obsessed with them. I love them so freaking much. But if you do actually want to find them in store, you can find them in some local grocery stores as well as online. So you can get them like shipped straight to you, and they come in a box, and like, it's really, really awesome. It's like Christmas, and you're like, wow, I have breakfast for like a whole month now. So easy, don't have to think about it. And I know a lot of people are worried about the plastic packaging, but all of the plastic packaging is made out of recycled plastic already, and they are working towards becoming even more eco-friendly in the future, as I've read on their Facebook account. That's usually my breakfast. I've been having one of those every single day without fail. Then I usually go about my day and I do my workout, and then right after my workout, I do like to have a package of protein gummies just so that I can get a little bit of extra protein right after my workout, so that can help build some healthy muscles, you know, trying to get stronger over here. Then we come to lunch, usually after that, sometime after that, you know, around lunchtime, duh. So something really, really simple and really easy that I've been doing is just buying a box of like lean ground like chicken burgers and just literally cooking a patty every day of the week. I could cook them all at once and just save them, but I don't know. I just like it fresh and hot and cooked. So I will put it in a little tiny baby pan, fry it up, use some lettuce as the bun, put a little mayo on there, and I would put tomato on it, but in the clip that I recorded, we didn't have any tomatoes, so no tomato. The only thing is with this, I really feel like I need to figure out a good side to have with this, because after I eat it, I'm still kind of like, just wanting a little bit more, and that's where things start to go a little bit downhill. Oftentimes I'll have like a granola bar or something after that. So I do need to figure out like a good like side that I can have with this, just because I feel like it's not quite enough. In case you guys didn't know, I don't know how to cook like anything. Like I'd really love to learn how to like roast vegetables, because I feel like maybe some roasted vegetables would be good with this, but don't know how. I don't know how to cook. But anyway, that's usually lunch, and then I usually kind of slide off the wagon with a granola bar or something after that. And then for dinner, do you guys call it supper time or dinner time? Some people call lunchtime dinner time, so I don't really know what to call it. I'll call it supper, dinner, I don't know. The third meal of the day. I never usually have a plan. It's usually very like, okay, what's it gonna be today? And it's usually like very different, because I get most of the food that I buy off of this app, and the app basically sells food that's gonna expire in the next few days, like super discounted. So like I get food super cheap, but like you kind of have to eat it quick because it's gonna go bad. Like one time I got like a whole roast chicken for like $5, and that was just like, I ate that, like a bit of that like every day for like a week. Generally, like supper time is a little bit whack. Last night, like I made pita chips out of wrap bread, tortilla bread. Taylor, don't make fun of me. I call them wraps, okay? Not tortillas. I cooked a few of those up, made them into like pita chips, and me and my sister were just kind of eating the dips that I had gotten on this app for 99 cents. So that's probably what I'm gonna eat tonight too. But then the evening time is where everything goes downhill. It's just all bad after this, because in the nighttime I get so snacky, and like if there's chips around, I'll probably have chips. I'll probably have like some Herbaland gummies. Those are actually pretty good for you though, because there's pretty low sugar. And if I visit my nan, I usually have a cookie and sometimes even a can of pop. Yeah, so I really need to work on some things. Basically, that's what I've been eating in a day. Nutritionists, if there's anyone out there, help me. What should I do? Because I don't know. I don't know. And I know the information is out there in the world. Maybe I'm just lazy. Probably. It's just hard. There's just too much to think about, you know? I need to learn how to cook food. And I need to learn more healthy recipes. So if you guys have any recommendations, or anyone that like makes good food like on YouTube that like has ingredients that doesn't cost like a ton of money, let me know in the comments, because I could really use a little bit of help. I need more products in my life like Aviv that make it so easy. Actually, you know what? Something that I actually forgot to mention is that Aviv has just come out with their lunch line. So they actually have Aviv lunches now too. So I'm definitely going to be checking that out, because that would make my life so much easier. But yeah, I need more products like Aviv, because they're just so easy, so simple. You know, when people are like, do you need me to spell it out for you? Yes, you know what? I do. And Aviv kind of just does that. So I need more products like that in my life. But anyway, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you in advance for any advice that you could probably give me, because my knowledge is just not there. It's just not there. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon on the vlog channel, semi-daily on Instagram and TikTok. And I think I have a video coming this Wednesday, but if not, next Sunday on this channel. And with all that being said, I will see you guys then. Bye.